So this is a BP mannequin in a sci-fi suit. And with the help of Chaos Cloth, we are going to dress our BP mannequin in this sci-fi suit. So if this is something you are interested in, let's just get into it. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So let's just get into it. So before we start, I want you all to know that you can grab the cloth asset on the Patreon page if you want to tag along, and it's actually free. So why not grab it and tag along with me? Okay, so let's move into it. Yeah, so we have a sci-fi suit for our BP mannequin, and I wanna drop it first in here so we can place the materials on it and get into the Chaos Cloth panel. So for the materials, let me just show you right quick. So here we have the fabric _2 front _2841. This is the one with the emissive texture. And this the number 2836 is the one with the metallic texture. So I would double click and try and make it clean here. So since we're going for the emissive, we are targeting this one. So I'll go in for a constant 3 vector node, which you hold 3 and you right click, and I'll double click and I'll turn it into white, and I'll go in for a constant and I'll hold 1 and I will left click and I will turn this into 10, and we will have to go in for a multiply node, and I will connect this to the A, I'll connect this to the B. So I'll connect it to the emissive color and I'll just click apply, and we got it. So yeah, some neon light around the suit. So let's make it metallic. Yeah, so we will have to go to this one, the first one, and I will double click and I will separate it to actually make it clean here. And I'll go in for a constant node, 2 constant nodes, and this one is gonna go into the metallic. So I'm gonna make it 1, and I will drag it into the metallic, and this one is gonna go into the roughness, and I'll make it 0.2. So I'll drag it into the roughness map. Okay, and I will just apply. And when we get into our scene, we have this, and this is pretty amazing. Okay, so we are gonna get into the Chaos Cloth, and if you don't know much about the Chaos Cloth, I will recommend that you go and check my previous tutorial. Yeah, my previous tutorial about Chaos Cloth, and you will understand what is going on here. Okay, now you realize I have the same and I have the render mesh. Actually, we will have to get 2 meshes. So but this one I only have 1 mesh and it's gonna work out, don't worry about it. So we have the same and we have the render mesh, but we are just gonna use 1 mesh. But you just see something here that I've connected all the nodes, but I've not connected these 2 nodes. Now let me tell you something. In Chaos Cloth, since I've been working in this panel, I've realized that sometimes when you connect these 2 before you load your static mesh, Unreal Engine most of the times will crash. So the best thing I will recommend is not to connect them first, but load them, and when you are done loading them, then you connect them. So that's what we are going to do. So I will go in for this and I will load it here, and I will go in for that, and it's actually going to be the same mesh. So Yeah, I'll just load that in here and I will save. So I will connect this here and I will connect this here. And you just realize it's actually working out. Yeah, don't worry about it. So actually you will have to do the weight paint, but this one we are not gonna do any weight paint because we actually want it this way. We want it black. So we will just move forward to the last node and um, maybe you wanna test it in the panel. You can go in for the SK mannequin and it's fitting right. And maybe you're going for an animation to see how it's gonna look. Okay, yeah. So I will just click and I will just save. And we have to actually when we play, we don't have it on our mannequin, so we have to get it on our mannequin, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the third person project and double click on this one under blueprint and go to viewport, and so under the mesh component you just click add and you search for cloth and you have the chaos cloth component, and you just go to the cloth asset and you just bring in the chaos cloth. And yeah, man, this is crazy. Yeah, so I will just compile and I will just save, and when we play we are gonna have him running around. Whoa, yeah, this really fits the game. Yeah, it's really looking dope and amazing. So I can try and just move the sun maybe somewhere like this, and when I play, yeah, we are gonna actually see more of the light. You can see that, man, this is crazy. Yeah, so there you get your character with the neon suit on the character. Yeah. Okay, so don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. I'm out. Peace. Bless up.